We're now at 1 in 100 in the United States living with inflammatory bowel disease. And the challenge with the current therapies that we have are all of them are around 30-40% efficacy. We still don't know the underlying cause of IBD. We don't know what the etiology is for Crohn's disease, for ulcerative colitis, for these various phenotypes of IBD. We just still don't know. We do know that there's a lot of inflammation present. So a lot of therapies have focused on inflammation. But all these new drugs and advanced therapies have not focused on how does the epithelium or the lining of the intestine, how does that repair? There's inflammation that causes damage, but then your body has to recover. So CLF-065 is unique in that it addresses the regeneration or the repair of the intestine. We're trying to find something that we can break that glass ceiling and say, we're not going to offer you something that has 30 or 40% efficacy. We're going to offer you something where we can really change the trajectory of your disease. In practice, what it would mean to regenerate tissue is that we could take patients that have damage to their intestine, which we see in Crohn's disease, we see in ulcerative colitis, we see in all the phenotypes of IBD, that there's damage there that's present from inflammation. And so now, rather than telling someone, okay, we're going to give you an anti-inflammatory that has a lot of potential side effects, risk of opportunistic infection, risk of other side effects with these different drugs, we can give you something that we know is safe, that's going to also restore and repair the lining of your intestine. Calibr has been unique on the discovery side to really think about regenerative therapy as what are small molecules that target endogenous stem cells within different organ types, whether that's the intestine or that's the lung or that's the heart. And so I think we can translate what we learn from doing CLF-065 and IBD to pathology in lung and pathology in liver and pathology in heart. And so I think that's what's really exciting.